Drinking clean water has many health benefits that are essential to our survival. It is the elixir of life, and there is an increased awareness of how important water is to our bodies. In fact, it is now the second most popular drink. Unfortunately, soda pop is at the top of the list, but as we become wiser to water's magic, this hopefully will bring it to our number one choice of beverage. Here are several benefits of water you should think about when you go to have your next drink. First of all, the proper amount of water helps keep you energized. Hydration allows the cells to be energized and function properly. This helps give you a healthy heart and blood pressure. It also prevents the body from becoming dehydrated. Dehydration has been known to cause anger, cognitive problems, mood issues, fatigue, and even confusion. Water helps with having great skin as well. It helps keep the skin cells fuller, which help reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Healthy cells make the skin glow. The body is also composed of about 2/3 water, so drinking plenty of water helps maintain the balance of bodily fluids. Our body requires water for maintaining body temperature, transporting nutrients, digestion, and absorption. A few little known facts about water is that it helps with weight loss, detoxifies the body, and can alleviate pain when consumed in the right amounts. Also, it is good to remember that the quality of water is important as well. Be sure to be drinking clean and pure water. Many water sources contain toxins and chemicals that are harmful to the body. They can build up over time and cause serious consequences in your health. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please subscribe below. Also, please click on the bell for future notifications from us. Coming up in the next video. How much water should I drink? Having a trusted source of water availability.